Hey everybody, so we gotta do an unboxing for the Milwaukee 445 Lumen stick Rover light. It's a rechargeable red lithium USB light, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so we're gonna unbox this real quick. This is the Milwaukee part number 2112-21 red lithium USB Rover USB rechargeable pocket floodlight kit, 445 lumens, 2-year USB battery warranty, limited light limited lifetime warranty. Comes with a cable, the light, all-day run time, over 2,000 recharges, 3 times faster charge time. I'm going to leave a link up here for Clint from Tool Review Zone. He's got a video about the newer batteries. Most of these lights come with the 2.5 amp hours battery, and Milwaukee just released the 3 amp hour batteries, and they're $24 a piece. I'll leave a link up here for his channel, Clint from Tool Review Zone, and I will also link his video up here as well. High is 445 lumens, 2 hours. Low is 100 lumens, 11 hours. It doesn't look like I clipped the cord at all, so I didn't cut the cord. Instruction book. So it's got a magnet on the top or bottom. Yeah, it would be the top because the Rover emblem is this way. It has one on the back. The one back is not as strong as the one on the bottom. Doesn't look like it scratched it or anything. Power switch, and then 1 and 2, high and low. So just a quick little unboxing, not, like majorly, crap, I keep hitting the camera today. It's not my day, I guess. It's like the 5th time I've dropped the camera or accidentally tapped the camera. But comes with a charging cable, instructions, and the light. Okay, back cover slides. Take it comes with a 2.5 amp hour. Like I figured, the new model battery is a 3 amp hour. So with everything it comes with. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. Check out my Acme Tool affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. Appreciate you guys stopping by and sticking around for the video. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please, I already said like and subscribe. But, anyways, I'll be doing more videos on these lights. We're going to be using them, abusing them, putting them through their paces, automotive work, stuff like that. And even probably some personal, automotive work, as well as, just using them on a daily basis, going outside, checking on my animals, stuff like that. Again, I appreciate you guys stopping by, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!